Make someone an admin on Discord server. So open your Discord app. So what you need to make sure that you need to own a server in order to make anyone admin, because you cannot assign roles to individual if you are not an admin or if you're just a member. So first of all, start by creating your own server. If you want to create, simply tap on here, create my own, and select the region why you are creating. If it is for a club, select for club or community. If it is for yourself, select here. Now what you can do is simply give a name that you want to give. Let's say food folio. Now tap on create server, and that's it. You have a server where you're admin now. Now tap on. Now head back. Then simply hold on to the server for some time, and here you'll find more option. Tap on there. Then go to the settings and scroll it down until you find user management. Here you'll find the list of members, your roles, and invites that you can send to others. Now share this server to your friends and make them your member. After they are member, you can assign them role. Tap on the role. Now tap on create roles. Now select on the role name. Now if you want to make someone admin, let's say admin. Now you can also choose role color. So if it is highly important, tap on red or green, whatever you like. Tap on save, and that's it. Simply create and create. Now all you have to do is set up for permission. If you want to add cosmetic, member, moderator, simply add on select, and then you can choose the person that you want to add them as. After that, tap on finish, and you're done. And in this way you will have a role admin appear. Now if you want to change the admin or name, or if you want to change the members, you can simply tap on members. And if you want to delete this role and add another roles, simply tap on delete role. And that's it guys. In this way you can easily make anyone admin on your Discord server.